Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Swati welcoming you to the global online platform. So today we are going to discuss the most important topic of the commerce, which having the 100% surety that will come from this area. Okay, and this is the most repetitive topic if you find any paper. So just evaluate that paper. You can find the 100% this topic is going to be covered over here. And so don't miss this video. Okay, this is going to be very useful for you. So let's start, and here we are starting from the unit number 1, that is the business environment. So in the business environment, there are these are the important topics which you have to be prepared for this. Okay, so the economic policies, okay, monetary policies and the fiscal policy. Then the pestle environment, that is the political, social, technological, environmental, and the legal. And after that, the LPG. Liberalization, privatization, and globalization policies of the 1991, then the Consumer Protection Act 1986, and which now the new Consumer Protection Act which come. So that's also the going to be, that is 2019 is also your important point. And after that, the corporative social responsibility, that is CSR. Okay, so this is the important area from the business environment. Okay, now the next unit, business environment and international business. Okay, so business environment and the international business having the same unit, and from the international business you can see the theories. Okay, and the who propound this theory, who give this theory. So theories are really important from this area. And after that, the international economic institution like IMF, World Bank, regional blocks, and the WTO and GTO, you know that. And after that, FDI, FII, and balance of the trade and the balance of the payment. Okay, so this is an international international end accounts that have the prepare. And after that, the MNC. Okay, multinational corporation. Okay, and after that, the next unit, that is the business statistics. Okay, from the business statistics, these areas are really important, that is regression, correlation. After that, the probability distribution. Next, in the sampling and the hypothesis. Okay, hypothesis like a null hypothesis, alternate hypothesis, sampling error, type 1 error, type 2 error, or regression, the equation of the regression, and the relation between the correlation. Okay, the probability distribution, the problem question are come from this area. Okay, Z test, when we use Z test, so there's a formula of the Z test, ANOVA, T test. Okay, who propound this Z test. Okay, and the measures of the dispersion like a mean, median, mode. Okay, so these are the area which is important from the statistics and the business statistics. After that, the next unit, that is the financial and the management accounting. So in the financial management accounting, you can see that is cash flow and fund flow statement. Okay, this is the most repetitive area. Then the basic accounting principles, Indian accounting standard. This is an important. Okay, then the partnership accounts and their ratio, like a sacrificing ratio, gaining ratio. Okay, so these are then the acquisition, merge, amalgamation, reconstruction of the company, like this. Okay, and after that, the cost, volume, profit analysis. So cost, volume, profit analysis, this is all very important because you can see the question from this area. After that, the human resource accounting and the inflations. Okay, inflation accounting and environmental accounts. So the basic knowledge of this accounting is more than enough. Okay, after that, the business economics having the important topic, you know, that in elasticity of demand. Okay, their diagrams and what are the features of this, which diagram called as elasticity, which called as inelastic, like this diagram is like that. So this is what this is the inelasticity of demand. Okay, so here is E is equals to 0. Now the market structure, then the indifference curve is also important. Okay, market structure is important. Then the law of return, this law, pricing theory, then the given goods and the inferior goods. Okay, so they can ask the question from the, what are the relation of the given goods with the demand and supply, what are the how it's look like the given goods diagram. Okay, so this kind of question they can ask from this area. Now the business management having the evaluation of the management, motivation, leadership, and the learning. And after that, the planning and control and the spam of control, this isn't really important. And after that, organization structure is also important. Okay, and the CSR and the business ethics. Okay, so these are the important area from the business management. The next one, that is a marketing management. That is from the marketing management. The concept of the marketing is really important. Consumer behavior is really important. Segmentation, targeting, and positioning. This is important. And the pricing policies. Okay, these are the important. Then the four P's. Who propound the four P's? What are the four P's? What are the extra? Then the three P's is added. So who is the propound this three P's? Who? What are these three P's? Okay, four S, four C's. Okay, seven P's. Okay, so these are the seven P's is nothing but four P's plus three P's. Clear? Now the next, that is financial management. From the financial management unit, the leverage is important. Yes, there is a financial leverage, operating leverage, combined leverage. These are the important their features, their formulas, and how to calculate. The problem is they make the they ask the problems from this area. Okay, then the capital structuring. This is also important. Then the capital budgeting. Okay, then the dividend policy, Walter dividend policy, dividend policy. These are, then the working capital management is also really important, because problem question is asked from this area, how to calculate the working capital, or you calculate the things, or the what are the concept of increasing working capital, relation between the working capital and the current asset and the current liability, like this. Then the profit wealth maximization, these are the important aspects from the management. Okay, then um, uh, the money. So this is a money and capital market. Okay, this is also important. Then the types of derivatives, this is also important, very important. I will take a extra lecture for this, for the types of derivative, so don't worry about this. Okay, next, the human resource management, having the job related concept. Okay, job related concept, that's a and the performance appraisal, like a 360 the performance appraisal. You know that there is like a past performance appraisal and the future performance appraisal, according to their past and future. Then the industrial relations, then the dispute and management, training and development. Then the trade union is also important. So the training and development is also important, because they ask a question from this area. Okay, now the next, that is the banking and financial. So in the banking and financial, you have to be updated with the current affair. This is an important, and whatever the question asks from the updated area. Okay, in this section. Now the RBI, nationalization, Basel norms, and the NPA, the banking sector reforms, and the NABARD and the RRB, and the current affairs is important. Current affairs is important. Okay, so these are the Basel norms, banking sectors reform, NABARD and the RBI. So these are. After that, the tax planning, tax avoidance. Okay, tax planning, tax avoidance, deduction, residential status. Okay, deduction under section 80C to 80U. Okay, 80U, they ask a question from this area. Exemption is also important. Okay, so exemption section 10. Okay, then the residential status is important. Types of return. Okay, the RTI, ITR 1, 2, ITR, ITR 9. Okay, so these are the important. And after that, the default and the penalties. If they default in return, finding return, or the penalties, if they default, so the penalty is also important. Okay, now so here we are completed over here. Okay, um so our new batch will be started from today, that is 1st of July. And you know that every Monday we are launching our new batches, and here you will get 50% discount on the fees. So in the 5,000 rupees you will get, if you register yourself for the paper 2, paper 1 is free of cost for you. Okay, complete paper 1 is free of cost to you, for you. And here you will get complete course on the commerce and management. Daily live lectures is available, PDF format. Okay, PDF format, syllabus notes is available in the app. Okay, and you can download it in your mobile. You can do study anywhere, anytime. And the full syllabus mock test is available. More than 4,000 MCQ series with detailed explanation is going to be provided. And after that, PYQs with a detailed solution is going to be provided over here. So let's get hurry and join our classes as early as possible. And here you will get, because you have a very less time to prepare, So our new exam will be, I think the time is given in the August. Okay, so you have very less time. So join as early as possible. And here the contact number is WhatsApp contact number is only given over here, and you can get in touch with this contact number. So how to download the Global Online Lab? So go to Google Play Store, search the Global Online, just install it. After installation, you have to register with your number, and once you register, you will get a My Course section. In the My Course section, you have to find out whatever the course do you want, and here you will get in the 5,000 rupees your course. Okay. uh, and after registration you can find that all the units, all the materials are is given in the very systematic manner in the PDF format. Okay, unit wise PDF format is given, so you can do study very well with the planning, with a proper planning. Okay, so hope you are joining very soon. So see you soon in the next lecture. Bye.